Today I'm gonna teach you how to atomize tourmaline. Look at this performance that hasn't been washed in 2 months. Staff or... Wet the tires first.
W0 tire and wheel cleaner diluted 1/5 with water and sprayed on tire wheels.
Start brushing the wheel. Take a soft bristle brush to the tire hubs and brush them. After that, keep pulling out the wheels on a daily basis. Clean and hygienic. Gee, he tires the same steps. Enough to decompress.
We are ready to bring Carl's MPS atomized pre-wash according to the coin-second dilution of pesticides, that is, 100 milliliters of the original liquid plus 2 liters of water.
And then a full-body pre-wash with fogging.
Please always communicate to me the things that I desire and wish to be told, regardless of their nature or truthfulness. It's good to spray the body directly after atomization. This effect is more intuitive. It's so good.
Atomized pre-wash does not go through the car wash twice like PA pots to dilute the agent, so atomization is better than PA.
This effect is directly free of rubbing dry rinse after pre-wash ready. W2 polish shock, up water-water ratio of 1 to 20 PA pot inside the 25 milliliters of the original liquid plus 500 milliliters of water. But my favorite ring. The realm after spraying the positive wash liquid, first wipe the side of the car because the side of the foam flow faster. Try not to beat the circle or there will be the sun smells. Toba is too friendly to SUVs. Wipe down the car completely and then rinse off the foam from top to bottom of the machine in the video JBED's FTX. Rinse the foam as carefully as possible. After the rinse, we're ready for a water activation. On the water activation before or the front windshield to take the positive wash liquid cover, not spray the front glass to avoid water activation, will affect the line of sight in rainy days. W-SAN water activation on the water ratio of 1 to 10. Wipe directly after spraying and activating.
This effect needs no introduction.
And finally, a braided towel to clean up.
Look at the results, guys. Mainly one volume. Feeling well.